In this video, we're going to show you the harvesting and preparation of an Italian mushroom salad, using the mushroom the Romans called the food of the gods, more commonly known as Ovoli or Amanita Caesaria, Caesar's Amanita. However, if you can't get Ovoli, you can always use butter mushrooms and even porcini. So,
let's go mushroom hunting. Yeah? Ouch.
Our first find today is the Galletto, as it's called here in central Italy, better known in English by its French name, the chanterelle. Wonderfully tasty and very versatile for soups and pasta. There's a link below to a video on how to prepare it, true Italian style. Our second mushroom is this glorious Porcino nero, the black porcino, Boletus aereus, with its elephantine stalk and warm flavour. This is perhaps the best of all the porcini and attracts a price premium. It's a great mushroom because when, like this year, you have loads, they can be frozen for Christmas. Excellent with other mushrooms, in pasta, especially good with risotto. I particularly like them on my pizza. Now what we came for, Amanita Caesaria, Ovoli or Ovolo Reale, a mushroom from the highly poisonous Amanita family, but this one is perfectly safe, mainly eaten raw, pretty easy to distinguish with its orange cap, yellow stalk, gills, and the classic egg sac of the Amanita. Nevertheless, if you don't know it well and where it grows, get advice from someone who does. Don't risk it. We've got a good crop today, porcini, Galletti, and Ovoli Reale. So here we can see the ovolo in all its glory, not over mature, complete with the egg cup at the bottom, the yellow stalk, ring, and yellow gills. It's very easy to prepare. You cut off the egg cup, brush off any dirt, and only if strictly necessary, wash it gently. If you have to wash it, leave it to dry a little. After drying, you slice it and lay it on a plate. Add a little lemon juice, salt and pepper, and drizzle on some good extra virgin olive oil. Thinly slice some parmesan, this is 40-month-old Parmigiano Reggiano, and break it on top. If you want, you can add parsley, but I like to avoid the garlic that others use, as the flavour of the mushroom is very delicate. And here it is, Insalata di ovoli con Parmigiano Reggiano. If you liked this, please like and subscribe, or even come and cook with us just outside Rome. Thank you from David at Abatina Cookery.